Yo, what's good YouTube? It's me, Naturix Prime, and today we're gonna learn how to build a notification system in Roblox Studio. This will include a GUI and scripts. So to access scripts, you'll need to access my Discord server. It linked down in the description. All official links over there. If you also want to support me, my Ko-fi is down there too. Okay, once you're over there and you join my Discord server, it's gonna look like this. Okay, once you just scroll down, you see all scripts like a chat bubble over here. Just press all scripts, and then you want to search up notification script. Once you search that up, you want to scroll all the way up where you see by Nitrix Prime. You want to hover over it, press the three dots, and then you want to copy the text. Once you copy the text, then you want to go back into Roblox Studio, enter your Roblox game in Roblox Studio, and then you make sure Explorer and Properties are open. Once those are open, you want to go to Explorer, and you want to go to the server storage and add a local script. In this local script, then you want to do is you want to delete whatever's here and replace it with the code we just got from the Discord server. You want to go to the first part of local, and you want to keep deleting it until you get this. Okay, make sure the emojis are gone and there's no emojis here. Now go to the end of the script, and over here you'll see end. You're gonna enter to line 77 and go back and open the Discord. Once you open the Discord, you want to scroll back down and see the second emoji. You see the second emoji, and okay, now you go back to the script over here to line 77, right click and paste. Now we have this done. You'll see that there's an emoji right here near notification sent from server. You want to select that over here from the starting of the dash dash and delete the emoji. Now that's done, we have right here is the Discord and the join our script server for update. This will be the title and this will be the message. This will be the title, message, title, message, title, message, title, message. Oops, and title and message. Anyways, so that's that. If you want to change the title and message, it's up to you. You can change it to whatever you want. Just make sure you follow Roblox Studio and Roblox rules. And then when you scroll all the way down, you'll see task.wait seconds, 10 seconds. Right here, you'll be able to change the minutes for seconds. So Roblox itself, Roblox scripts don't actually take minutes, not that I know, but sorry, I'm pretty sure it only takes seconds. So if you do want to do like 5 minutes, every 5 minutes pop up a notification, instead of doing it from chat, you want to have players have a like GUI like just pops up on a player screen to like maybe like the game or favorite the game or join the group or whatever, support whatever. So if you want it to be every 5 minutes to pop up instead of spamming, because I know that a lot of players don't want spam notifications coming on their screen. So every 5 minutes maybe have that notification pop up on their screen, and just change the seconds over here. If you don't know how to change seconds, all you do is go to the internet, search up 5 minutes and seconds, and then you copy the seconds and paste it over here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use 10 seconds because we're testing right now. Okay, so once that code is now done, now you want to go ahead and open that local script again, and then go to the top where you see local remote equals replicated storage, wait for child notification event. You want to select this one and right click and copy it. Now you want to close the local script, and then you want to go open Explorer. You see in replicate storage, hover over it where you see a plus button, and then add a remote event. Once you add a remote event, you need to then right click remote event and then add or just rename it to the notification event. Okay, hit enter, and now we have that. Now you want to have the GUI done. If you want the GUI, it's free and it's down in the description below. It did take some time and finishing up to actually have it actually working. So go down to the description and get my free model. Once you have gotten the free model, just go to just a second. Let me get my model really quick. Okay. Once you go down the description and claim that model, then you want to go to the top and make sure toolbox is open. And then if you go to the toolbox, just you'll be able to see the model, and then you will be able to then paste it. It'll be pasted into the workspace. It'll be pasted in the workspace, and after that's done, you just paste it or you just put it into the StarterGui. So all you do is go down the description, claim the free model, go to toolbox, and then go to inventory, where you will then see my model. Place my model into workspace. It'll be pasted automatically. You want to drag it into StarterGui, and then you want to take the local script in server storage and drag it into notifications UI. And now that's done, you want to close the StarterGui, and now just hit play, and you will be able to see the message and title and message just like that. So the title and message will be here. It'll last for 5 seconds or so, and then it'll just disappear and wait for another 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, it shows the next message. So make sure you can have 4 in there. But if you want to add more, you can add more. But I'm not sure if it's gonna break the script because I did not test that yet. If you want to test it out, you can test it out. But I prefer I prefer going to the scripts, go back to StarterGui, open the local script, and actually go down where you see the four. Just to pick four like main ones you want to have the announcements that go to each server. It won't go. It will go globally, but it's not going to be actual global. It's going to be server only. So every person that's on servers, it'll show this message. It won't like if you like think like Jando like presses this one button and goes to global. Well, it's not that. It's just a server. It runs on server, so whenever players are in server, it runs through that. The scripts just run so on servers, and then yeah, so if you do want to change seconds, like I said before, you can change over here, and the message title and message here. Because the explorer, if you go to explorer and you open this frame, don't change anything here. If you do want to change anything, just change the title, the text labels. Don't rename it, but select both text labels. You can either change the font face into anything you want over here. I'm just gonna highway gothic. You can change it bold, italic. You can have it. Just make sure it's text scaled, of course, and you can change the text color over here, and even make the just color play around with the properties, uh, all on text label. And also, they don't need to change the text over here in the text labels. Everything will be manually done or automatically done by the local script. Okay, and one more thing to add is that uh, if you have any questions about this system, you can of course join my Discord server right here. Right here, you'll be able to then join my Discord server. Scroll all the way down where you see support, and then you'll be able to then create its support ticket. Like these two over here, I'm helping them out still, and it's going well. But if you do need help, it'll be created and I'll be happy to help there. So that's that. But if you do have any other development questions, then just let me know. And in the server, and like I said, support ticket can be for anything. It just needs to be related to Roblox or Roblox Studio content. Okay. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and subscribe. Um, turn on notification bell because I do post weekly uploads. And yeah, if you're not already in my Discord, it'll help a lot if you do join it. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Peace.